Hello everybody, at long last. Whew, it's been quite a while. It's finally time for a new episode of Brandon's Cooking Show. With me, your host, Brandon. I know, it's been quite a while, but we have a very simple recipe today. I think it's gonna be fun. Today, I'm just gonna start this off with saying Sharknado. That's the theme of today's episode. I love the movies. The 6th one is on tonight, so I decided to come up with a dessert for it. So I'm going to take some blue Jello, some gummy sharks, and I'm going to mix them together, and it's going to be sort of like pretending they're sharks in the water type deal. It's just going to be quick, easy, but I figured, why not? I'm going to make a dessert, let's make a show. Alright, so, start things off. We have our blue Jello and our sharks. 2 ingredients, that's it. Plus some water. Now we need a cup of boiling water. Gotta take this handy dandy measuring cup, fill it full of a cup, and then we're gonna start it to boil. There we go. Pour it into the pot right next to me. Sometimes these stoves just don't want to light. There we go. Now, we got that going. It's going to be a couple minutes, and I think we're going to take that time, pause, and I'll just tell you what I've been doing over the summer. Stick around. Where's the pause button? Well, let's see. The last episode we made, looking back, was the banana brownie episode from February. That was quite a while ago, it seems. Oh man, I didn't even cut my hair then. That was good times. That was what I thought was the 10th episode, but I think actually only ended up being the 9th. I don't know, I've decided to stop counting them now. We'll just go from there. Since then, it is August 19th, 2018. Yeah, 19th. My birthday was just 4 days ago on Wednesday. Today's Sunday. I turned 25. I know, I'm getting ancient, right? Like, what? When did this happen? So, pretty much, basically it's just been a boring summer. I've just been really lazy and haven't gotten around to cooking anything or making a show. Although I've been working at a restaurant like usual, so maybe I should have done something there. Should have asked. Other than that, it's been a pretty boring summer. I went to Warped Tour for the last year ever. Saw some good bands. That's pretty much it. Warren is a boring, boring town. Don't live here. Unless you like it, but then you're weird. So other than that, I'm just really excited for Sharknado 6, which is coming on tonight. This is my shirt from the first one. It's pretty old. I wish I had my shark onesie I could have worn. My Sharknado cosplay from Comic-Con last year. This is Sharknado 6. It's about time. For those who haven't seen the series, it's exactly what it sounds like. Sharks in a tornado. Super corny, super fun. It was my goal, one of my strongest ambitions to get in the movie, but didn't seem to work out. And this is the last one. R.I.P. So, that's why we're coming up with this recipe today. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm gonna go check on the water, see how things are doing, and then we'll go from there. Be right back. And we're back. Now, I decided to switch up the recipe a little bit. I wanted to make sure I had enough for this nice glass pan right here, and as we learned from the last episode, if you don't have enough ingredients, it's just gonna look really small, and I don't know, I wanna fill it up, make it look large. So I had an extra cup of water into the boiling water here, and I'm using 2 packets of blue Jello. And spilling Jello powder all over my laptop, because that's the thing we do now, I guess. Anywho, so I have poured this in here. I decided to put it in this bowl because I'm going to mix boiling water with cold water, and I'm afraid if I do that in a glass container, it will shatter, and that will just ruin my life. Alright, so I'm turning that off. Whew, that's hot. Now it says, add boiling water to gelatin mix, stir for 2 minutes or until completely dissolved, and then stir in the hot water or the cold water. So, pour in my now 2 cups of water in there. Oh, let's see. This looks like a decent enough spoon. Sort of stirring that up. And stir it until it's nice and dissolved. I doubt it's gonna be 2 full minutes, but I think I might pause it for a quick second anyway so I can clean off my laptop. There we go, done stirring. I know you can only see part of it. Yeah, I still gotta work on getting a good camera for this thing. Oh well. Now I'm going to pour in the cold water, stir that in real nice. Stirring it while I pour it. And spin it around this way. Ooh, gonna be a good one. Alright, got this nice and stirred. Now for the most fun ingredient. Behind. Gummy sharks! Which, yes, I've definitely been taking out and chewing on. Now, putting it over here, and my plan is I'm going to take my bag of open ones. I'm going to put a bunch in this glass pan now, and they're going to sort of sit on the bottom. Too bad I didn't have different varieties. Yeah, that'd be funny. But they're going to sit on the bottom, and I'm going to pour the mixture in. And then I'm going to wait. I might not put this on video, but I'm going to wait until about an hour or so, until it's thickened slightly, and stick a couple in and make different layers of sharks. Because if I put them all in now, they're just all going to be on the bottom, and, well, we can do better than that. A nice layer of, whew, that's hot. Remember everyone, don't burn yourselves. Pour this on in here, spill it all over my stove. As you can tell, that leaves it, I don't know, not quite halfway. In fact, looking at it now, my container, I probably could have had another couple of containers of Jello, but there we go, live and learn. That's the cooking show, isn't it? Now, let's just stick 1 or 2 more. From here, oh, that tastes sweet. Our directions are refrigerate for 4 hours or until firm. Like I said, I'm probably going to come back in an hour or so. Probably not on camera. I might just wait until the end result to show what it's like. But I'm going to come back in an hour or so, put a couple more on for different layers. Oh, why not? Let's just fill this whole thing up. Ha. It's going to be a fun one. Alright. I'll be back in a few hours. We'll see you then.